In this video, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops error LUA MENUMISSING DLC local on PS5. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to the game library and find Call of Duty Black Ops. Press the options button on your controller. Select check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Next step is verifying game files. Go to game library again. Press the options button and check for the updates again. If no updates are available, select save data. The system will scan for corrupted files and attempt to repair them automatically. If it also doesn't help, open the PlayStation Store, search for the DLC content you are missing. If you have already purchased it, you should be able to download it again for free. If you have not purchased it, you will need to buy it and install it. The next step is to rebuild your database. Turn off your PS5 completely. Hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Select Safe Mode. Choose Rebuild Database. This process may take some time, so be patient. That's it. These 4 steps should help you fix the Black Ops error LUA MENUMISSING DLC local on your PS5. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.